Hey everyone, welcome to today's training. Today we're going to talk about Pemko product, the 1745 water return threshold. What does that mean? Well, this is a two-piece threshold and it's meant for application on exterior doors facing the elements. And you'll see within the top of the threshold here, there's holes that are down in the bottom of these grooves. These grooves, by the way, are often referred to as flutes. So if you're online looking at threshold and you see fluted thresholds, that's all that means. There's slots along the top that are cut in. And water passes, the intention of this, water passes through these holes as it's raining, water's running down the face of the door and such. And as the water passes through those holes, it hits a subplate. And this plate, you'll see, is ramped towards the exterior side. So as the water is passing through those holes, it hits the ramp, it runs to the exterior side, and then the water passes out through this top piece through routed out slots in this upper piece. And obviously the longer, the wider the threshold, the more slots, the more screw holes, the more upper slots, and so on. So it's important now also when you're installing this, obviously we take care of the water that's running through the top and hitting the ramp and going out, but water can also go under the whole assembly, right? And that's true with any threshold. So when this is being installed, it's really important that you put silicone around the perimeter, put a generous amount, don't be bashful, and then that goes down onto the ground, squishes that silicone and provides a good seal under this so that water can't find its way under the whole assembly. That's very important. And once that is done, then you can go ahead and install the upper piece. Now you'll see there's a fin here. That fin, that vertical fin, aligns with a slot that's in the underside of this top piece. And when it's all correctly installed, they interlock with each other, and then you can't slide them apart from each other, right? It maintains its position. And once that's all mated properly, then you go ahead and drill and put the mounting screws down into the floor. Now that floor is typically going to be concrete. That's generally what you're going to find on an exterior doorway. That concrete is not always perfect, so make sure, again, that you have a good seal under everything. And also suffice it to say, it's not uncommon at exterior doorways to see an expansion joint in the concrete. Make sure that's sealed really good at the end so that water can't find its way into there as well. Very, very important. Now this overall assembly is ANSI BHMA compliant. It's the reference is A156.21. That's the BHMA standard for thresholds. And then also this product is ADA compliant. It's a 1/2 inch overall height, and if you noticed, it's ramped on both sides, and that slope complies with ADA requirements, no problem there. The width of it is 4.5 inches, although that's not specified anywhere for, that's not really relevant to ADA. You can have wider 7-8 inch threshold. 4.5 inch though is what this is, and that's the size that we offer it in. The overall length of it, we have pretty long extrusions. We're going to be able to accommodate most, if not all, the applications that you have in terms of length. So if you had, let's say, an 8-foot wide pair of doors, no problem, we can do that. The threshold, as far as finish, it comes in mill finish aluminum, and then also the dark bronze like you see here. So that's all I have. Be sure to go to pemko.com, check it out. Look at some of the documents that we have online to help get you educated to it before you go do an actual installation. And also you'll see all of our other products there that may be of help to you. I would really highly encourage that, whenever you're using a product for the first time, just go online, look at those documents, read through them beforehand, and it just allows you to be that much better prepared and more efficient when you go do the installation. Thanks for watching today. Greatly appreciate it, and I hope to see you on the next training session. Thank you.